Okay, see what it takes to get this off the bike. We got an Allen here. So I have to find the appropriate size Allen. Looks like that one might be the one. That'd be the guy. And over here, another Allen. Same thing. So there's no pinch bolt or anything on this. So we have no pinch bolts. Great. Nope, there's the pinch bolt. Okay, so this is the side that does not rotate. And we got two Allens under here. That locks it down. Just gotta figure out how this stuff works, see? Not that one. Get this one over here. That'd be the guy. Okay, so this is the axle, and that's a nut on that side, because this is being held, so that makes that the axle. This over here is the nut, so you just turn this and it should loosen it up. There you go. See, it's a big screw. There you go. Big flathead screw. I missed a pile. Goes there. Alright. That should come out now. So we'll just loosen this up under here, which is your pinch. It doesn't feel too good. There it goes. You can see it opening up a bunch. A lot of squeeze on that. Okay, now the axle should be able to come out. Kind of a pinch, a punch. Oh, I put the puncher back. That's right. Let's use a nice big one here like that. Large area doesn't hurt anything. Hopefully. And just go ahead and hold that, knock it out. Nice and snug like the rear one. Ooh, it stinks. Like rear end oil. How come my punch won't come out now? That's weird. Jammed that thing in there too. Kinds of spacers dropping out. All right, wheels out. Appears to have brake pads in it. Yep. A little thin on the one side, but they're in there. So they're all right. Oh, I did that, didn't I? I didn't think about that. I'm bending the fender a little bit. Oh well. All right, so That's why the front wheel didn't want to come out very good. So let me go square up the front end there. I didn't think about that. Being a dumbass. Okay. Soft tie. Length, or less length, I should say. Yeah, not going to work very well. Chrome is short. Close. Alright, looks better. Pull up on both sides of the forks next time you do that. That's why the axle didn't want to come out, because one side was lower by 2 inches than the other side. So instead of being straight like this, it had to make it like a Z. That's why I didn't want to come out. Oh well, dumbass. Oh, look at this nice tire. Oh yeah, that looks real safe. Yeah. But yeah, that's been on the bike for a while. Oh yeah, lots of good cracking. Yep. Nice deep one. This tire is worn, underinflated too. See how it's high in the middle right here and it's low right here. You can also feel when you run your hand across it. Under inflation. If it was overinflated, it'd be worn here and not here, but this, without air in here, it pushes it down and it wears out here. So you can tell how the tires are wearing. It doesn't matter what it says on the sidewall. Put air in it until it makes it round. Yeah, this is like almost broken in. Okay, so we get these Allens out of here. Change out this rotor. Alright, let me find some tools. I'll be back. Alright, back. So I got an Allen. Should be the right one. Yep, looks good. So you gotta break it free without rounding it. Good. Good. Another one. Oh, that was tight. That wasn't too bad. Okay, I can use a zip gun from here to bring it out quicker. I don't like to pull them out with the zip gun because it rounds everything off. Oh, they got a little washer on there. That's fancy. Oh, that's a lock washer. Got a little fancy ass little lock washer. That's a custom part. Harley doesn't use any lock washers. They tighten them up with Loctite on them. Need more thread. Fancy rotor. Yep. Oh, real fancy. Worn out. Same diameter. Okay, this is a Harley replacement one, steel. It's got flash chrome on it, makes them shiny and doesn't corrode. Might be just zinc. Probably just zinc. Get the speedometer notch in there we're going to need. And we're going to see if these will fit in here. Appears they will fit. Not a big fan of these lock washers, so maybe a lock washer or more bolt. See, I like more bolt head sticking in there with Loctite on it than I do with a lock washer that moves it out to only there. So I think I'm going to eliminate the lock washers. And we'll use Loctite. And this might be the easiest thing to do with the front wheel. Everything else in the bike's been fighting me. What's going to break next? Or be put together wrong. Just got to check the offset on the brake caliper, make sure it lines up. Might be an issue with that. There's always a chance for more issues. Alright, that's in. Okay, so I run these in with a zip gun hard and fast. Which way is the bike going to rotate? This is the left side, so you go backwards. And that flash torque when it bottoms out torques them really quick. Torque. If you want to check your torque, you always do that, but it's probably just going to round things off. Yeah, they're tight. Okay, that's in there. Looks a lot better to me. I like to just look at those stupid ass floating rotors. They're supposed to work better, but they don't look as good.